Let me ask you this. Why are you still spending so much money on MTN data when there's a way to get it cheaper, faster and instantly? If you watch this video to the end, I will show you exactly how I just bought MTN data for less than what you pay in seconds without stress, and how you can do the same right now with the sub. And here is the best part. You don't even need to queue. No hidden charges, no delays, just instant data right on your SIM. Sounds too good to be true. Stay with me, I will prove it. The very first step is simple. Head over to your Google Play Store, search for the sub and download the app. But maybe you don't want to use the app yet, no problem. Simply open your browser and visit www.thesub.com.ng. Both the website and the app are designed to give you smooth and instant experience. No complications, no technical setup. Once you are inside, you will see two main buttons, register and login. If you're a new user, tap on register. Fill in the details. Enter your full name, phone number, email address, create a password, input your referral code if you have one, or leave it blank. Then set up your transaction PIN for security. After that, just tap create account. Boom, your account is ready. But if you're already a sub user like me, simply tap login, put in your details, and you are in within seconds. Now, before you can buy cheap and instant MTN data, you need to have money in your sub wallet. Right now, I have 5,500 naira in my wallet, but let me quickly show you how to fund yours instantly. Tap on add money, then select bank transfer. The sub will instantly generate a PalmPay account number just for you. Copy that account number, head over to your bank app and transfer any amount you want to fund your wallet with. And here's the good news. Your wallet is credited instantly, zero funding charges, 100% free. Now that your wallet is funded, let's buy some cheap MTN data. From the dashboard, tap on data. Choose your network, MTN, Airtel, network or 9mobile. For this video, I'm selecting MTN. Next, select the data type. You will see options like SME, corporate and gifting. I will select SME because it gives the best rate. Now, let's choose the data plan. You can scroll through and pick whichever that suits you. For this tutorial, I'm buying 500 MB data at 458 naira with full 30 days validity. Enter your phone number, the phone number that will receive the data bundle. Then tap on purchase. Within seconds, boom, your data is activated instantly. Now let's confirm. I just got MTN message in my inbox confirming my data bundle was successfully activated. And if I check my wallet, yes, I have been debited 458 for the purchase. Simple, smooth and instant, no stress. Now imagine how much money you can save if you stop buying data the expensive way and start using the sub today. Not only you can buy data for yourself, you can even resell and start making extra income all from the same app. Download the sub app right now from Play Store or visit www.thesub.com.ng. Create your free account, fund your wallet instantly, and start enjoying cheap, fast and instant data. Don't forget, tap on the link in the description and join our WhatsApp channel for daily updates and promos. Thanks for watching and welcome to the future of data purchase with the sub.